Hello, today we will guide you through how to create tabs in a Confluence page. To get started, open Confluence and navigate to the overview page for your workspace. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the page where you want to add tabs. Once the overview page is open, look to the left-hand navigation panel and select Sample Page. This will take you into the page where the tab layout will be created. After the page opens, click into the Content area or Forms section so your cursor is active in the editor. This is important because Confluence uses / commands inside the page body to quickly insert different elements and layouts. Once your cursor is placed in the correct spot, type /tabs. As you type, Confluence will begin showing matching options in a drop-down menu. From that menu, click on the Tab option. This inserts the tab component directly into the page. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second and make sure your cursor was placed in the editable section before entering the command. The tab element should appear on the page, usually with a default tab name already in place. Next, click on the sample tab name and rename it. This is where you can make the tab label match the content you want to organize. For example, you might use names that reflect different topics, teams, or sections of information. Clear naming helps keep the page easy to scan and makes the tabbed layout more useful for anyone reading it later. If you want to customize the tab further, click on the three-dot menu associated with the tab component. This menu typically gives you access to additional settings or configuration options. It's a good place to adjust how the tab behaves or appears, depending on the available choices in your Confluence setup. When customizing, keep consistency in mind so the final page feels organized and professional. That's the full process for creating tabs in a Confluence page. You begin from the overview page, open the target page from the left navigation, click into the editor, type /tabs, select the tab option, rename the default tab, and then use the three-dot menu for customization. Taking a few extra moments to name and configure your tabs clearly can make a big difference in how easy your